Hello, guys. This video will show you how to create a draft order. From your WooCommerce dashboard, hover on WooCommerce and click Orders. Click Add Order and you will be redirected to the Add New Order page. Locate Status under General and change the order status to Processing. In the Order Details section, fill in the billing and shipping part. Scroll down to find Add Items and click it. Click Add Products. In the pop-up, search for and choose your wanted product and adjust the quantity under Quantity if necessary. Click Add. Edit any other information if necessary. In the Order Actions section, click Create. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!